What I'm going to be doing is touching up my roots with some color. Right now, the roots in the front are a bit dark. I can see my black hair growing out. Okay, let's get right to it. My hair has been braided for about 2 months now, give or take about 2 months. And I've been applying oils and the proper regimen while my hair was braided. But now I've taken out the braids yesterday night. What I'm going to be doing is touching up my roots with some color. What I'm going to be using to do that is the Clairol texture and tones in the color brown. So I've sectioned off the blonde piece in the front. I'm using these clips to section it off because I don't want any dye to get on these. With my hair, it's kind of, my color is kind of like, surprise me, you know? So I usually go to like brown, auburn, bronzy in the back and blonde in the front. I think I did like a cognac red mahogany before in the back. I may try that again. So my colors are a little all over. Let's get this out of the way. I'm gonna use those clips to section it out of the way. I'll just be putting my bottle through that, and whenever I'm ready to do that or whatever. Isn't that cute? Right. So let's get our first box of the texture tones here. And we're gonna mix. So it comes with the color activating cream. You have the intensive moisturizing conditioner. And the moisture rich hair color. Blue violet base. What does that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean? So, here we go. And do you use gloves? I don't usually use gloves. Oh, I should pretend. I should pretend. I should pretend. And gloves. And we're gonna mix. We're gonna mix. This goes in here. Oh, number 1 goes into number 2. When you think it's about to overflow. And here comes the next box. Why does this one seem darker? Is it just me? Can you see that? Bottles are all different. Look at that. This one is lighter and this one is darker for some strange reason. How will my hair come out? How will my hair come out? TikTok has got me like, knowing all these songs. Gloves on. Okay, let's do it. We already dyed one fingernail already. This feels weird. Well, that happened. Check the lids. Where'd it go? That stay. And now we got this bunch right here to do. So that flew. Alright, let's get to it. I should start with this first so that it could, yeah. I'll start with this one first instead. Let me start with it first. Let me do this out of the way. A lot of blood. Alright. Just for the roots. For the roots. For the roots. For the roots. I am way heavy handed though. Let me just say that too. Get in between each one. Good thing it's already separated by how my hair was braided. Okay. Now we're gonna put this all throughout my roots. I don't see what's wrong with that. Until you see everything is good, we're good. The place is back to how it's supposed to be. I'll be combing you out shortly. I'm out of here. Gone. Now, gotta put my cap on. I know. Did she know it? She know. this is the dye out of my hair. I shampooed, I conditioned it, and here we go. So, all brown here. Back. Yep. Now it's time to deep condition and detangle. All done. And it's a hot mess.
Finally done.
What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna moisturize and style my hair. I have this shea butter mixture that I made. Alright. It dissolves really nicely. It's really nice. I also have this oil mixture I made. It's real nice. And the gel I'll be using is big boy. The Xtreme Wetline Gel. With the, is this blue? Like a navy blue top. My hair with the product in it.